My name's Melissa, and I'm the center manager and spa manager at Yoga 360. One client in particular, and I've come to know her pretty well, and she dropped in the spa and just was asking questions. She didn't really want a facial because she's got a skin condition called rosacea. It's redness and it burns and it's actually painful. Breaks capillaries easily. I gave her a sample of one of our products to try, and she tried it overnight and it was good, so she came back and booked a facial, and the results were incredible for her. She actually was on antibiotics for this facial condition, and she doesn't have to take them anymore. She does a home routine and she comes in monthly and she's thrilled, and that's very rewarding to help someone like that.